Hi, this is Nandini. I'm going to present how momentum investment work. What is momentum investing? Momentum investing is a trading strategy in which investor buy security that are rising and sell them when they look to have peaked. The goal is to work with loyalty by finding buying opportunity. Then the investor take the cash and look for the next short-term uptrend or a buying opportunity. Repeat the process. Skilled traders understand when to enter into the position, how long to hold it for, and when to exit. They can also react to short term and news driven spikes or sell off. Risk of momentum trading include moving into position too early, closing out too late, and getting distracted and missing key trend and technical deviation. Father of momentum investing. The first momentum investor is Richard Dreyhaus. Took the practice and made it into the strategy he used to run his fund. His psychology was that more money could be made by buying high and selling higher than buying unpriced stock and waiting for the market to reevaluate them. Element of momentum investing. The rules can be broken into five elements. First one is selection or what equities you choose. Second one is risk revolve around the timing in opening and closing the trade. Third one is entry timing means getting into the trade early. Fourth one, position management couples wide spreads and holding period. Last one is exit points require consistent charting. Benefits of momentum investing. First one is potential for high profits over the short period. There are cumulative profit to be made from momentum investing. For example, say you buy the stock that grows from $50 to $75 based upon the overly positive analyst report. You then sell the profit of 50% before the stock price corrects itself. You have made 50% return over the course of few weeks or month. Over time, the profit potential increase using momentum investing can be strategically large. Second one is leveraging the market volatility to your advantage. The key to momentum investing is being to able to capitalize on volatile market trend. Momentum investors look for stock to invest in that there are way up and sell them before the price start to go back down. For such investor, being ahead of pack is a way to maximize the return on investment, that is ROI. Last one is leveraging the emotional decisions of other investors. The momentum investing is built around chasing performance. However, the momentum investors do is this systematically that includes the specific buying point and selling point rather than can be controlled by emotional response to stock price. Like many investor, momentum investors seeks to take advantages changes in stock price caused by emotional investors. Will it work for you? Momentum investing can work, but it may not be practical for all investors. As an including individual investor, practicing momentum investing will most likely lead to overall portfolio losses. When you purchase a rising stock as or sell the falling stock, you will be reacting to older news than professional at the head of the momentum investing funds. Then will we get out and leave you and other unlucky folks holding the bag. If you do manage to time it right, you will still have to some more consciousness of fees from turnover and how much they will eat up your return. Does momentum investing work in India? Contrary to how it might seem in financial media, momentum as an investment strategy has been around for better part of the century. Empirical studies going for back 1801 have shown momentum work not just in equity but across the C classes. Momentum outperformance broader market. Momentum outperformance benchmark in India. We extensively backtest the momentum strategy against a portfolio of randomly selected stock against the benchmark indices. Finally, we look at the basic momentum investing strategy, that is simple versus gain loss versus volatility adjusted momentum, to see if some consistently do better than others. These are the tagline of the investing. This is the banner of the momentum investing. Conclusion. A trading strategy that buy past winners and sell the past losers realize the abnormal return. Evidence indicates that the profitability of the relative strength are not due to their systematic risk. The existence of momentum well established empirical fact. Thank you.